Hey, like I said in the last video, I was getting ready to start a couple of projects. I was getting ready to dive into the ice cream truck. I really want to. But I brought over the Dune Buggy, so I brought those over first. Yeah, I think they're going to be quick. I need to check for the heads. I found the windshields. I got those. I'm going to check for the heads. I'm going to do that next. Just a sec. Okay, great. I found the windshields, got the heads too. The funny thing about the heads, guys, is they're painted almost, it's like an off-white. We're going to have to address that. I like it more of like what do we do, a Caucasian, Aurora Caucasian color. I know it's going to be like a pale color, but these are just like, I'm sorry, they're just a little too off-white for me. Got the windshields back there. I don't know if you guys remember a couple of videos ago when I got these Dune Buggies, they were just covered with stickers and decals, all that stuff. So we got that off. That was half the battle. So we're going to dress them up and see what they look like with the heads in there and the windshields. Now, often when the windshields would break on the Dune Buggies here, there's a little residual plastic in those little holes up there. So what I do is, and they were glued in, often they're glued in real good. What I do is I soak the car in warm water first, and then I just take a screwdriver and I just keep pushing from this side out, and often just after a few pushes they come right out. Now you see this Dune Buggy on the right, I just drilled out the holes on the back there because I couldn't get the pegs out. There was pegs out from like a roof and I couldn't get the pegs out. Now I looked at the green one here, and the green one, there's no evidence of any pegs ever being in those holes, so that tells me it was the Dune Buggy itself. Now the one over here on the left, there's no evidence of any glass head or roof ever being in those holes. This was a special one. Let me turn it over here. This is the Dune Buggy that they sold like with a special piece of track. It's not painted up or anything. So I'm going to probably offer it as a kit, like with the head, the glass, and all that stuff. You know, just to, if you want to, hey, if you want to use this one, make it a kit and paint it up if you want. Do whatever. I'll probably offer it like that. But that's where we're at right now. Let me go ahead and get the rest of these done. Oh yeah, they look a whole bunch better with the glass in, with the heads on. The heads are so pale. Look at this head over here. The one that isn't painted. Oh my god, that looks too funny. It's like the whole thing's yellow except for his head, little white dot there. Too funny with the black hair. I've got to paint they're too ghost-like. It's like, hey, we got 3 Caspers here. Okay, I will set up for the painting of the heads there. Just a sec. Okay, good. Got the heads taped. I put tape on both sides of them so I can hold them while I paint them. Here's how I do it. I know that you're trying to get the Caucasian. We are a lot of white, just a little bit of yellow mixed into white, and then just a dab of red, and then you keep going with those 3 as much as you want, and then you'll get the Caucasian. I put the Dune Buggies aside. I didn't want any paint on them. Got my little paintbrush there, a little stir stick and whatnot. So as soon as these get painted up, guys, I'll restart the video. And it's come out pretty good. Just got them painted up. I'll touch up the hair with some black here after it dries. But that's what I did. I got the white out, the yellow, just a little bit of red, and I just started mixing there until I got that color that I wanted to, and I could use the white to lighten it up a little bit and try to get it, what I thought would be better than just an off-white like we had before. So I'll let those dry. We'll do the hair and we'll go from there, guys. Hey guys, the heads are done. Got the black hair on, and I'm going to get them off the tape here in just a little bit, and we'll see what they look like with the Dune Buggy. So give me just a second. We got the heads on. I mean, look at these. So much better, guys. So much better. And again, these are a dime a dozen. If they don't have the head or the windshield on there, people just pass them up on eBay, and they're very, very difficult to sell. But you put the windshield on there, get that guy's head painted up and looking right. And when I do put these on eBay, I'll let them know, hey, it's a replacement windshield, and the head. I'll tell them, you disclose that stuff. I do. So I'm going to call this done. I'm liking the green one though, guys. I am really liking the green one. Thinking about putting a chassis on that one and sliding that one in my collection. I mean, that is really nice. I do like that one. All right, guys, have fun. Oops, how do you think that chassis got into there, huh? I got that dressed out the way I want. I do think I'm going to slide the green one into my collection. And I think I said it earlier, I decided I'm going to sell the other two, again, on eBay, but as kits. I'm going to take off the windshield, take off the head, and sell them separately like that, so guys know that, hey, they're replacements and whatnot. Just it'd be a fun little project for somebody to put that together, glue it all up, and put a chassis on it that they want. All right, guys, that's going to do it. See ya.